Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. Usually I'm doing a makeup video and stuff like that, but today I'm going to show you a little snack that I love making, and that's a hit in the family and with friends. So these are my Vietnamese rice paper rolls, and I did this video specifically for a friend. I want to send a shout out to Sue. You asked me for this recipe about a year ago, and here we are. So let's take a look at our ingredients. Okay, red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, cucumbers, carrots and spring onion, lettuce, rice noodles with mint, chicken strips, hot water, and rice paper wrappers, as well as black sesame seeds. Now let's get wrapping. I'm going to take my rice paper wrapper and I'm going to just soften it inside some warm water, and you're going to have to rotate them because as you rotate, the warm water softens it. You got to keep it moving, otherwise it gets too soft and then you can't wrap all the vegetables inside. So I think that's fine. I'm going to leave it lying down with the indented side down, and you got to make sure that your board or your work surface is a little bit damp. Otherwise, the rice paper is going to stick to whatever is on it. It's on, and it's not going to look good. So I'm going to take my lettuce. I'm going to just take 2 leaves. Remember, you can use whatever lettuce you want. I'm just using whatever is available in my fridge. Of course, you can't use lettuce like rocket leaves, right? Well, I consider it a lettuce. So I'm putting some of the rice noodles with some mint in here. Now the mint, I've chopped it up finely because I don't like having big chunks of mint in each bite. So I've chopped them up in little strips and I put them inside the noodles. Next, I'm going to take the sesame seeds and I'm just going to sprinkle a little down in front. And you're going to see how that looks. It's going to look really nice. I'm going to take my chicken strips and I'm just going to lay about 2 out in front here. You can use any alternate protein. If you don't want to use chicken and you just want to keep it vegetable, you could do that by any means. You can use prawn, you can use beef strips, you can use grilled pork, whatever it is. And next I'm going to put up the veggies, the bell peppers. Remember, you can use whatever vegetables you want, and nothing in here is actually cooked except for the chicken. So it's not really that much hard work. Now I'm going to put some of that spring onions on top. And now for the wrapping. I'm just going to damp my fingertips, run it around the sides of the wrapper so that it lifts when I need to pick them up. And you have to be very, very delicate with the rice paper, otherwise it will tear. So you got to roll it over and just grab the sides. So there you have it. Doesn't that look so pretty? Let me show you another one. Unfortunately, with the rice noodle, I cannot substitute any other noodle for it. If you want to eliminate it, of course you can, but I wouldn't suggest it. So when preparing the rice noodle, all you need to do is just get boiling water, put this in a little bowl, put boiling water over it and put a lid on top so that it actually sits in the boiling water and steams itself. Wait 5 minutes and then they're done. And now I'm going to start wrapping them. Okay, I'm folding one end over And just make sure that you keep all the filling inside. And then I'm taking the ends over, and now the other end over, and roll over. And there you have it. So these spring rolls are accompanied with a delicious sauce. The sauce cannot be left out. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Some of the things that I will be using. So I've got some dark soy, some sesame oil, some rice vinegar, a tablespoon of peanut butter with a little bit of water mixed into a little paste, some chopped spring onion and chopped chili. I'm going to first start off putting the spring onion and chili mixture in this jug, and then I'm going to be adding some dark soy sauce. Usually when I do this, I just taste as I go. That doesn't look like it's enough. So I'd say 4 tablespoons of soy, and I'm going to use there was 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can use any vinegar that you want. I just so happen to have rice vinegar. And then I'm gonna add some sesame oil. You don't need to add too much of this because it just permeates through the whole sauce. And even if you don't have peanut butter, if you just use sesame oil, it would do the same effect. It would have the same effect. And now I'm going to put my peanut butter mixture inside. And now we're going to give this a whisk. Okay, and that's it. It's not that complicated. So trust me, you'll love it. If you like, yeah, now you said a whole paragraph and expect me to know it. I have short-term memory loss. I do. So guys, there you have it, Vietnamese rice paper rolls. I do hope that you enjoyed watching this. So if you do try it, please remember to take a picture and tag me on Facebook or Instagram. And if you have any questions or queries, feel free to mention them in the comment section below. Have a good one. And you know what? Having the chili inside is gonna make it hot. Cameraman, is your mouth not watering as I do this? So, diving in. That's a bit much, but anyway. Hey, stop licking. Look at that. So good. So fresh. That mint inside gives the whole thing like a fresh vibe. Classic.